Hello guys, so welcome back to this tutorials. In our previous tutorials, we were able to set up our POS application in Visual Studio. Now in this particular project, we will be pushing our project to GitHub, which is an online platform that can store our project online. Let's jump into it. Now, first of all, to create your GitHub account, you have to go to github.com. Opening github.com, you see a dialog like this. It's a quick way of creating your account. So you can just type the username you want here and a valid email address, then your password. After that, just click on sign up. Now, I already have an account, so I'll click on sign in. Now I'll click on sign in and we go on. So this is how GitHub looks like. So we are good. So let's move straight to our Visual Studio. And if you are using an older version of Visual Studio, it doesn't normally come with GitHub. So you would have to install the GitHub in your Visual Studio. But if your Visual Studio is recent enough, you have the GitHub in here like this. So what we have to do to our solution to push our project to GitHub is to click on our solution, right click and go to add solution to source control. So immediately we click on it, what will happen is that it will convert, let me click yes, it will now set up our project for GitHub. So you realize that now we are having some locks on our files. So what it means is that it has added our project to the control, but then it hasn't pushed it to GitHub. So the next thing we want to do is that we would want to push it to GitHub. So to do that in Visual Studio is very simple. You can just check here and click on push here. And this one will open this dialog here for you. So the next thing you do is that you come to where we have published to GitHub. Then you click on push to GitHub. Now I already have account with the GitHub. That is why it automatically has open here like this. But we want to change or add a new account. So we just click on add new account. Then come to the GitHub section and type your username or email address here, then your password. So for me, I will type something like, let's say if your username is, let's say test username, then you type your password here. So for my account, you can see your username by coming here. You see that this is your username. This will be your username. So now the next thing we do is that we will type the repository name we want. So for this one, I want to use POS. And for this, you can choose to type something there. Now, if you want this project to be private means that if you want this project to be accessed by you only, you check this. But for me, I would want it to be accessible to anyone. So I will uncheck the privates and go ahead and click on publish. It will take a few minutes and you realize that this two here is gone. Then it means that it has been able to push my project. Very good. So it means that it has been able to push it successfully. So for me to be sure that my project is online now, I can just come here and refresh my page and I'll see that now my POS project is here. And now I come here and I see that all my projects has been added to GitHub. Great. So thank you for watching this video. In our next video, we will start designing our POS.repository to be able to add to our database, delete, and update. Thank you for watching. Bye.